What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in the Chevy Silverado remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2014 to 2023 Chevy Silverados that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we hold it so the buttons are facing down, and then we take a look down here near the key ring, you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, I'm going to put it in that notch, I'm going to come all the way over to the one side as far as I can, and pop that side up. Then I'm going to go all the way over to this side as far as I can in that little slot, and pop that side up. The reason I'm doing it that way is these little tabs right here are prone to breaking, and doing it that way will help prevent that. Anyway, we'll pull that back cover off and we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And I'll put the back cover on, and I'm going to hook this part on first like this, and then snap it down. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.